Hello, thanks so much for coming by today. I really do appreciate it. Today we're going to be doing the middle cheek exercise in Exercise Along With Me Series 6. Now here is the link to the playlist for Series 6. All you have to do is learn those exercises, go ahead and assemble them all in from forehead to neck and start the routine. All right, that's all you need to do. So we're going to be, as I said, we're going to be talking about the middle cheek exercise for Exercise Along With Me Series 6. So what we do is we place our fingers in a open position like this. We just open them up, and that's how we place our fingers onto our cheeks. We place our fingers onto the platysma, okay, which is at the bottom of our jaw. So this is the platysma here on Dorian, good old Dorian. He's been around for a while, old Dorian now. We shouldn't call him old, he's only 6 years old really. So this is the platysma area. That is actually showing the masseter on Dorian, but this is exactly where the platysma is. It sits superficially over the masseter, but that's exactly the area where you'll be looking at. So we place our thumbs over the platysma, we place our fingers over the tops of our cheeks, so right across the cheekbone, and then the little fingers can just sit there wherever. Then all we do is place our lips, make our lips like a fish lips, okay? Like that. Can we do that? Give it a go. And then we press semi-firmly, and then we do the repetitions. Now the main thing that with this exercise is it exercises this area, okay? It exercises the risorius, the buccinator areas, okay, and the middle cheek areas. Very hard to get those muscles moving on their own. They move when you smile. They help smile along with the zygomaticus muscles, but this exercise helps that area. And also the purpose of the exercise is to help lift these corners of the mouth, because if we do an exercise just in this area to lift the corners of the mouth, it's not going to work because all of the muscles are interconnected. You need to exercise a muscle that moves the area that you want to lift so that you strengthen that muscle so that it lifts up. And this is what we're doing with this exercise. Okay, we'll try it again. Okay. It's not hard. It's not a hard exercise. And once you start sort of working all the series and working through them all, you'll find that all the muscles become very strong. This area here, which is the orbicularis oris, it becomes very, very strong, that muscle, and that's the muscle that holds up your lips. Okay, that's also the muscle where a lot of all the other muscles are hanging off. They all attach to that orbicularis oris muscle. So we're also exercising that muscle, and as you do it, you'll feel that muscle as well moving. Okay, if you can visualize it, you'll feel it. So on here, all right, let's look at Dorian and we'll talk about that, okay? So on here is where the orbicularis oris is. It goes all the way around. And, you know, as you can see, the other muscles sit on it. And actually, the orbicularis oris sits superficially over these other muscles, okay? So it means it sits on top. So it sort of coordinates all the other muscles together. Now, around here is where you get the wrinkles as well, because this is where the muscles join, one of the areas where the muscles join. It's the same up here with the corrugator. The corrugator slips underneath the procerus, so there's going to be a bit of a weak area where the muscles join. There's always, you know, as you age a bit more and you're smiling or you're frowning, there's always that area gets worked a little bit harder and it's a little bit weaker. It's sort of the weaker area. But this is the area that we want to concentrate on, and also if you can concentrate on the orbicularis oris, that will help. Okay, just give it a go. One more go. And with your lips sticking out like that, like fish lips, that will help move the orbicularis oris muscle subtly. and it will help squeeze the inside here of your lips. Now basically the movement's going this way and the orbicularis oris is moving outwards. I love that exercise. It feels really good when you're done. It actually feels good while you're doing it as well. So if you've got any questions, please go ahead and ask in the comment box below, because I'll be there to answer them. And I hope that it's something that has helped you with this exercise along with me series 6. A lot of people, as I said in one of the first videos that I started with this series, people don't make it to series 6. And it's because they get so far and then they lose hope or whatever happens. But we'll be talking about that a little bit more in next videos, about how to get through the series, all of them. But hopefully this exercise has helped. Hopefully it's helped you to understand how to do this a little bit easier and better and a bit more effectively. Please do remember to subscribe to the channel, because when you do subscribe, you get all this support along the way. Also, have a think about joining my gym. I do have a gym on the website. The URL is going across the video right now. Go ahead and have a look at that, and it might be something that you'd want to do for the year, and something that, you know, might work out for you or you're thinking about doing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. You have a lovely day wherever you are in the world, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Little by little.